It is October 18th, and today the chores have been getting the lighting back in, the fire detector and the, smoke detector and the vent screens back in, because Corey repaired the one and they're all in, even in the bathroom and above the bunk. And Corey has been working very hard on the bunk covers, cabinet doors. Those now, you can take all of them out at once if you need to, or just one of them, or you can move them all down one edge, just depending on where you want. And of course, that was the wardrobe door that went here before we decided to make this into a countertop, giving us a lot more counter space because we do like to cook. And now the bunk beds look as if they're on top of the crates in the baggage department. How fun is that? We still have to work on the end piece here. We're still working through some things that we want it to do and things that it will do. But for now, I think this looks pretty cool. I'm gonna do a light burnt umber stain on it and then polyurethane them. But I'm super pleased with how that turned out. Aren't you?
Yeah, I think it looks really good. I think that polyurethane is going to harden things up and kind of help glue things together just a little bit more so they're a little more solid. But I really like that. It's a nice, light kind of, just trying to lighten everything up. Makes the place look bigger.
That's what we keep hoping. And opening up space where we can, like that big wardrobe that sat right behind where you are.
Yeah.
It had a hanger and you could hang jackets.
But I mean we're in Florida.
And we're going to be camping.
Yeah.
So I'd much rather have space to prep food than and to have our coffee maker. And we're thinking about maybe a electric strip, possibly across here.
Maybe here, just to kind of help tie this line together. Put it here, maybe have a plug up in there, maybe, I don't know.
But we're still working on that piece of things. And other than that, I mean, I'm excited about what we accomplished today. Yesterday, again, another hard day. I think our allergies have been bothering us.
Something.
But yesterday we just couldn't push through. Yeah. Well, and it might have been the
adhesive to this.
Yeah.
Stuff. Yeah.
That may have been giving us a headache. But today I see a lot of progress. I'm real proud of ourselves. Corey's going to continue to work on the tracks for the doors because there's some screws
that are catching a little bit.
That we'd like it to be smoother.
Sand these down just a little bit more before they get their polyurethane.
Yeah.
We want to get them test fitted and see that they actually work and kind of what they look like.
I'm pleased though, Corey. I really am. I'm super pleased.
That's nice.
I think so. Good job.
And you got your trunks.
And I got my trunks. Yay. Well, I put so much hard work
crates,
in.
Rather, I guess.
These are more crates. But I put so much hard work into getting the material on those, the canvas material and all of the stickers and getting the paint just right. I'm so glad that we were able to use it. It meant that I had to cut them down. I cut it into 3 pieces, but they're all right side up, which is a big win. Yeah. And we still have 1 piece left that we can use there at the end of the bunk. Yeah, I'm just pleased as punch, Corey. Pleased as punch. Oh, and then we've got our hanging rod up there, and We made it past what we worked yesterday. Dear Lord, we were awful yesterday. It was a bad day. It showed in my comfort eating at the end of the evening. Ooh, not good. And the day's only partially over. I think it's only 2:30. So. All right, we're at the end of the night. Polyurethane is setting up. I'll be able to put a second coat on tomorrow. And we will continue on with the bunks, but I feel like we're really making progress. It's starting to really look like a camper we can use. Good stuff today. I like good days like this. Today's better though. Yay. Love you.
Love you too.
Always an adventure.
Always.
That's it for this Lake Calamita update. We're so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy unique projects like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're not just about flipping this RV. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners, cake decorating. I even cook with my dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, check out the Lake Calamita playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.